Hi, this is Harry Jai from Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max. I'm not only going to install WhatsApp, also recover backup from my iCloud. I go to App Store. Here we go at the middle. One most important thing, to download anything from App Store, you need to connect your phone with your Apple ID. If you don't know and if you don't have Apple ID, check my video, check the video description how you can make an Apple ID. So here at the corner we have searching button, tap this one and here type WhatsApp. Here we go at the corner, you see WhatsApp, hit this one. Now this one is WhatsApp Messenger. I hit this one. It's done. So I close this option. So you'll see WhatsApp at your main screen. Hit this one. Now you see here agree and continue. Hit this one. Here notification allow from WhatsApp. Obviously I hit yes. Touch your phone number or write your phone number. My phone number is here. I hit next button. Now important part this side now. I have a backup, so I'm gonna restore the backup from chat history. You see here two options, skip. If you don't want to restore from backup, hit skip. If you want to restore, hit restore here. And here also is write and restore from chat backup. I hit this one. So restoring all the chat that I had in my another phone. You see I have a lot of iPhone there. The name is I leave as this. You can see Harry and Jeffrey. I hit continue, access to contact, select contact, allow full access. So I give full access to WhatsApp here. I hit done. So I have all the chat that I had in old phone is appear here from the backup, and I have WhatsApp now, guys. Here we go. Very simple. So this is the way you can have WhatsApp to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max. Not only that, and you can restore your backup from your old phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.